In this video, you will explore the goals and challenges of your job search. First, you will brainstorm the goals and challenges you may face in finding a job. For example, your goals might include finding a job with health benefits, part-time status, or a 15-minute commute. Challenges might include being a recent graduate, having a gap in employment, or changing career fields. Then, you will add more slides to your job guide presentation and research more tips on the internet. On each slide, you will collect tips for a different goal or challenge of your job search. Everyone has different needs and wants when they're searching for a new job. Think about the things you'd like to have in a job. Are there particular goals or benefits that are important to you? Your first concern may be salary. How much money can you make at this job? But you also may want to work part-time or have flexible hours. You may need a job that provides insurance coverage or paid sick leave. Or you may want to work from home. Next, consider some challenges you might have in meeting those goals. Maybe you have a high school diploma, but many of the jobs you want to apply for require a college education. Perhaps English is your second language. You may be starting a new career. Or you may be a parent who needs to balance work with child care responsibilities. Now that you've thought about what you are looking for in a job, add these goals and challenges to your presentation. Insert a new slide. Title it Job Goals and Challenges. Add 3 to 5 goals and challenges in a bulleted list. Next, choose one of your goals or challenges. Insert another slide to your presentation. Select a layout. Title the slide with your goal or challenge. For example, best jobs for parents, how to get a job without a high school diploma, or get health benefits with a part-time job. Then, perform a new internet search for tips and resources for finding these kinds of jobs. Open a new tab or window and go to google.com. Type in words or phrases that will help you find information about your goal or challenge, like part-time jobs with health insurance, or how to get a job with a high school diploma. Check out some of the articles that your search returns. As you find helpful information, add tips and resources to your slide. Add at least 3 tips about this goal or challenge. Add more slides for additional goals and challenges if you like. Once you finish creating slides, check out your presentation. To see your presentation from your audience's perspective, click Present. Your presentation now fills the entire screen. Use the arrow keys or click the mouse to advance to the next slide. Be sure that your audience can read all of the text on each slide. Press Escape to exit the full screen mode and edit your slides. Change the font styles, colors, or sizes to make your presentation legible. Then, move on to the next video to import your slides into a class presentation and share your tips with others in your class. Now, it's your turn. Brainstorm your goals for a new job and the challenges you may face in getting that job. Add your goals and challenges to a new slide. Research one of the goals or challenges you brainstormed. Create a new slide for tips in reaching your goal or overcoming your challenge. Write at least 3 tips on this slide. Add additional goal and challenge slides if you'd like.